Hi my dear intelligence, I hope you all are fine. The last video where I explained errors and the various different possible ways of asking questions based on the errors also completed. Now here I am going to explain one more important topic, which is vernier calipers and screw gauge. Very easy topics but important. So chalo, let's see vernier calipers. I am going to explain only main points which are useful to solve the problems. So vernier scale having two scales, vernier calipers having two scales, one is vernier scale, one is main scale. So let I am taking vernier scale, main scale having number of divisions, vernier scale also having number of divisions. Let I am taking A is the number of main scale divisions. Total number of main scale divisions in the vernier calipers equal to A. Next, B number of vernier scale divisions, or else we can say let B number of vernier scale divisions coincides with B number of vernier scale divisions coincides with A number of main scale divisions. A number of main scale divisions. Whereas 1 MSD means value of one main scale division is equal to M, whereas 1 VSD value of each vernier scale division is equal to V. Then value of MSD they might give and they will ask us to calculate value of VSD. Sir, why it is required to calculate 1 VSD, sir? It is useful to determine the least count. Let's see, sir, A number of vernier scale main scale divisions coincide with B number of vernier scale division. So B into value of each VSD V equal to A into value of each MSD M. Then 1 VSD is equal to A by B into M. This is very important, sir. For suppose 20 number of vernier scale divisions coincides with 19 number of main scale divisions, whereas 1 MSD equal to the value of 1 MSD equal to 1 millimeter, then find the value of 1 VSD. So 1 VSD is equal to number of main scale divisions, how many? 19, by number of vernier scale divisions, how many? 20, into 1 main scale division value 1 mm. This is the value of 1 VSD. After finding this 1 VSD value, we need to determine the least count, sir. How to calculate least count, sir? Least count is equals to, remember this one, 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Least count equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. And here another important point, 1 MSD value, let us taking M minus 1 VSD already we got, sir. A by B into M. Let take M as common, then B minus A by B. Remember this formula to determine the least count of the vernier caliper. B is the number of vernier scale divisions that coincides with A number of main scale division. B number of vernier scale divisions coincides with A number of main scale division. Then the least count is equal to 1 MSD into number of vernier scale divisions minus number of main scale divisions by what you are supposed to write better here. This is number of vernier scale. And one of the important question previously they asked from this one. For suppose let n number of main scale divisions coincides with n plus 1 number of vernier scale divisions. N number of main scale divisions coincides with n plus 1 number of vernier scale divisions. Remember one point, vernier scale divisions must be greater than main scale divisions. So next what can I write, sir? Then what is the least count? This is the question. N number of main scale divisions coincides with n plus 1 number of vernier scale divisions, then determine the least count if 1 MSD is equal to 1 millimeter. If 1 MSD equal to 1 millimeter. So in this type of questions, dear intelligence, we can write this as least count equals to 1 MSD value 1 millimeter, number of vernier scale divisions n plus 1 minus number of main scale divisions n by number of vernier scale divisions n plus 1. So minus n plus n get cancelled. So least count equal to 1 mm upon n plus 1. This is the formula for least count. This is the formula for least count, sir. N number of main scale divisions coincides with n plus 1 number of vernier scale division, then the least count equal to 1 by n plus 1 millimeter. So or else we can also write, sometimes they will give 9 number of main scale divisions coincides with 10 number of vernier scale division. Then what is the least count, sir? This is 1 mm by n value 9. 9 plus 1 we have to write, which is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is 0.1 millimeter. If they are saying n number of main scale divisions coincides with n plus 1 number of VSDs, then this is the way. There is one more pattern of asking question also there. That is, for suppose if they are asking, if they are saying n plus 1 or else n number of vernier scale divisions, n number of vernier scale divisions coincides with n minus 1 number of main scale divisions. N minus 1 number of main scale division. N number of vernier scale divisions coincides with n minus 1 number of main scale divisions, and 1 MSD is equal to again 1 millimeter. 1 MSD value is how much? 1 millimeter. Then determine the least count. Least count equals to 1 MSD into number of vernier scale divisions minus number of main scale divisions by number of vernier scale divisions. Remember this one. So 1 MSD 1 millimeter into V value is how much here? Number of vernier scale divisions n minus of n minus 1 by n only. So this is minus n plus 1. So this is going to be cancelled. Then what is the answer again? 1 millimeter by n. So you people need to remember one simple shortcut technique. If number of vernier scale divisions, number of main scale divisions, difference is 1. Here n, here n minus 1. If here n, here n plus 1. If number of vernier scales and number of main scales, if the difference between the number of vernier scale divisions, number of main scale divisions is 1, then the difference 1 by number of vernier scale divisions, number of vernier scale divisions into 1 MSD. So this is the formula to determine the least count. Okay, but sometimes most of the times the number of vernier scale divisions, main scale division difference might be 1, but sometimes it will not be like that. For suppose 20 VSDs coincides with 15 MSDs and 1 MSD equal to 1 millimeter, then find the LC. 20 VSDs coincides with 15 MSD, then determine the what's the least count, whereas 1 MSD equal to 1 millimeter. Least count equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So 1 MSD is what? 1 millimeter minus 1 VSD equal to what I told? Number of vernier scale divisions into 1 VSD equal to number of main scale division into 1 MSD. So that is what can I write, sir? 15 upon 20 millimeter. Hence this is what you can write, 20 minus 15 by 20 millimeter. 20 minus 15 is just, sir, 5 by 20. This is equal to 1 by 4. This is equal to 0.25 millimeter is the least count of the given vernier calipers. In general, least count of the vernier calipers is 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. But it does not mean that the least count is always this much only. Least count might changes according to the given manufacture techniques. So this is about the least count of the vernier calipers. Chalo, next one. In the vernier calipers, there is a possibility of getting systematic error. The systematic errors are basically 3 types. Yesterday only I told you. Systematic error we are saying that systematic error means controlled error. Controlled error means we know the cause of error. Systematic errors exist might be the manufacture defect in the instrument. If there is a manufacture defect taken place in the vernier calipers, so that the zero of the vernier calipers, zero of the vernier scale may not coincide with the zero of the main scale. If 0 of the vernier scale not coincides with the 0 of the main scale, then there might be a error. If 0 of the vernier scale, right side of the 0 of main scale, please remember this one, 0 of vernier scale, 0 of vernier scale present, 0 of vernier scale present at right side of main scale, at right side of 0 of main scale, 0 of main scale, then the error name is called as the positive error, and the number line right side of the zeros are positive numbers, left side of zeros are called negative numbers. Same way, if 0 of vernier scale is present right side of the 0 of main scale, then it is comes under positive error. In the positive error, how to determine the positive error? Positive error equal to vernier scale division that is going to be coincides with the main scale division. Which division of vernier scale is going to be coincide? Here 0 not coincide, 1, 2, 3 not coincide, and here this is 5 and this is 6. Sixth vernier scale division, sixth VSD, sixth division of vernier scale coincides with the main scale reading. So positive error equal to vernier scale division that is going to be coincide into least count. Vernier scale division that is going to be coincide into least count. So positive error is equal to 6 into 0.1. So plus 0.6 millimeter is the error. So correction is equal to, we can write correction equal to negative. So minus 0.6 millimeter. For positive error, correction is negative. For negative error, correction is positive. If you look at this figure, here 0 of the vernier scale, 0 of the vernier scale and 0 of the main scale, both were not coincided. As both are not coincide, so what you have to observe, there might be error. Then look at the 0 of the vernier scale, 0 of the vernier scale existing or present left side of the 0 of main scale. Left side of the 0 of main scale, this is called as the negative error. In the negative error, how to calculate negative error again? Negative error is equal to vernier scale division that is going to be coincide. Here which vernier scale division is going to be coincide, sir? 1 is not coincide, 2 not, fourth one is coinciding, beta. Fourth one is coinciding, na? 4 into least count we have to take, sir. So positive negative error is equal to generalized least count for the screw vernier calipers we can take 0.1. So plus 0.4 millimeter we can take, sir. So correction is equal to, in this case correction is equal to minus 0.4 millimeter. So this is the way to determine the positive error, negative error. Error means always remember that might be positive error or negative error, but error calculation is always taken that vernier scale division that is going to be coincide into least count. Finish. This is about error. If it is positive error, plus you have to keep. If it is negative error, negative minus sign you have to keep. After that, how to measure the diameter or the length of the small objects with the help of vernier calipers. See beta, reading given by the vernier calipers is equal to MSR plus VSR into LC plus or minus correction we can write. Plus or minus correction. Plus or minus correction means this you have to take plus for negative error, minus is for positive error. Because if positive error is there, we are supposed to take correction negative. If negative error is there, then the correction is positive. Like that we can able to write. But what is the MSR? MSR is the main scale reading, main scale division that present left side of what's a 0 of vernier scale division. So you are taking a vernier calipers, like this. Vernier calipers I am taking, sir. So for suppose this is a vernier calipers, here I am keeping one cylinder and this is a vernier shaft, okay. So now this is the vernier calipers position. For suppose, just imagine. So here for suppose we are having like this is 10, this is 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, 10.8, 10.9, 11. So where 0 of the vernier scale is here. 0 of the vernier scale is here. Before this, preceding digit, preceding value, the preceding value of MSD. What is the preceding value of main scale for 0 of vernier scale? 10.3. So MSR is equal to 10.3. So always you are supposed to take the preceding of 0 of vernier scale only taken as a MSR. What is VSR, sir? In this particular arrangement, one of the vernier scale division is going to be coincides with the main scale. Which vernier scale division is going to be coincide? That is, it will be taken as VSR. Like this, we have to take MSR, VSR, and least count we need to calculate. Least count formula equal to 1 MSD into number of vernier scale divisions minus number of main scale divisions by number of vernier scale division. Remember this as the standard formula to calculate the vernier calipers. Okay, my dear intelligence, now I am going to explain least count. Then after we will discuss the numerical problem based on this vernier calipers and screw gauge, which they already asked in the previous competitive exams. Thank you so much. Just copy this one. Yes, intelligence. This is screw gauge. So now here in the screw gauge least count of screw gauge is very less compared to vernier caliper. So that is why we can also say it is micrometer gauge or micrometer screw. Okay, now principle of screw gauge is it is based upon the pitch beta. We are first supposed to determine the pitch. So what is the pitch of the screw? Whenever you are rotating the screw, after per particular number of rotation, the screw is going to be advanced, which equal to distance traveled by number of rotations. Distance traveled by number of rotation. So pitch is equal to, in general, for one rotation, let you consider 1 millimeter distance is traveled in one rotation. Then we can write it is 1 millimeter is the pitch of the screw. Then least count of screw gauge equal to pitch by number of head scale divisions. So there is a screw head is there. So the number of head scale divisions present on that head scale will be taken as here in the determination of screw gauge. For suppose if you are assuming there were 100 divisions, pitch is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter by 100 will become 0.01 millimeter. This is the least count of the screw gauge. After calculating of the screw gauge least count, they sometimes they might say like this also. A screw is advancing 0.1 millimeter in one rotation, and there were 50 divisions on the head scale. Determine its least count. In this type of problem, 0.1 millimeter is the distance traveled by how many rotation? One rotation. Then pitch equal to 0.1. 0.1 upon number of divisions are 50. So we can write this is 1 by 500. This is 0.2 by 100. This is 0.002 millimeter is the least count of the screw gauge. This is the way to calculate the least count. And at the same time, even in screw gauge also there is a possibility of getting error. There is a positive error, there is a negative error. Positive error means index line, reference line, measured line. If index line is above the zero of head scale division, then the error is called as positive error. If the index line is present below the zero of that head scale division, then the error is known as the negative error. What is the gap between this index line and the zero? That gap will be taken as the error. So here we can write this is fourth division. Positive error equal to 4 into least count beta again. So 4 into 0.01. So then what you can write? 0.04 millimeter is the positive error here. So this is need to be positive error means correction is negative. Negative error means correction is positive. Again with the help of screw gauge also we have a formula. Reading equals to same MSR plus this is a head scale reading into least count plus or minus correction we need to write. Plus or minus correction. So MSR is the main scale reading. Main scale reading means the index line is going to be coincides with one of the head scale division. Index index line is going to be coincides exactly with one division, or above that one which division is there, that is need to be taken as MSR. Next HSR, head scale reading. So head scale reading means which division of head scale is going to be coincide, or see, this is the index line data. So this index line scale is there, like for suppose here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that the numbers are there. So for suppose this is 2. If you are rotating, then the screw is going to be stopped here. If the screw is going to be stopped here. So 2, this is what can I write? 1, 2, 3. 2.3 we have to take. 2.3 millimeter plus this index line is going to be coincides with one of the head scale division, that is we can take HSR. And if it is 40 into LC into plus or minus, correction need to be taken place. This is the way to determine the reading. I will give one example question so that you can able to understand it clearly. Okay, so please note down this. Yes, intelligence, this is the question. See, in complete rotation, the spindle of screw gauge advanced by 0.5 millimeter. In complete rotation, in one rotation, how much distance it is advancing? 0.5. So pitch equal to what you can write, sir? Pitch equal to 0.5 millimeter per rotation. This is the pitch. What is the least count of the screw gauge then? Least count equals to pitch upon number of circular head scale divisions. How many circular head scale divisions are there? 50 divisions are there. So pitch equal to now 0.5 by 50. This is equal to 0.01 millimeter is the least count of the screw gauge. Next, what is saying? Main scale has 0.5 marks. See, this is 0, 0.5, 1. 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. Okay, so the next this is 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5 and this is 4. Now if you observe this one, in this MSR equal to main scale reading equal to where this screw is going to be stopped, preceding reading of this particular screw position. Preceding is what? This is 5.5. 5.5 millimeter is the main scale reading. What this index line is there? No? This is the index line. This is the index line or the reference line. This reference line is going to be coincides one of the main scale, this head scale, no? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15th circular head scale division is going to be coincide. This is the head scale reading we can take. Least count already there. So now the reading is equal to MSR plus VSR into LC. VSR into LC. So MSR 5.5 plus VSR is how much better? 15 into 0.01. This is equal to 5.5 plus 0.15. This is equal to 5.65 millimeter is the reading given by the screw gauge. Next, if we come to here, this is the index line. This index line is going to be coincides with this digit. This is 40 means this is 39, this is 38. So which division is coincides with here? 38. So this 38 is taken as head scale reading. We can take it as head scale reading. Next, on the index line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4 is present preceding of the screw position. Then MSR is equal to what you can write, sir? 4 mm. Hence reading is equal to 4 plus 38 into least count 0.01. This is 4 plus 0.38. This is 4.38 millimeter is the reading given by the screw gauge. So this is the way to calculate the numerical problems based on the screw gauge. Next, just copy this one, then after I will give vernier calipers. So okay, this is the question which they already asked in the JEE Advanced. So very simple question, but here question is a little logic is there. Diameter of cylinder is measured with the help of vernier calipers with no zero error. It is found that zero of vernier scale lies between 5.10 5.15. Then 1 MSD is how much? 1 MSD, 1 main scale division equal to 5.15 minus 5.10 is equal to 0.05 centimeter is the value of 1 main scale division. Next, what do you say? The vernier scale has 50 divisions which are equivalent to 2.45 centimeter. What is the number of main scale division? A 1 MSD. So A MSD is the length is how much? 2.45. How many vernier scale division? 50 vernier scale division. See, 1 VSD equal to, I am writing 1 VSD equal to, the vernier scale has 50 divisions equivalent to 2.45 centimeter. Like you can write 2.45 by 50. How much you will get, sir? This is equal to 0. Nearly how much you will get? 0.49. 0.49 you are getting. That means you can write it is 49 by 100. You can write 49 by 100. So next, 1 MSD minus 1 VSD is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD is equals to least count, sir. So 1 MSD is how much, beta? 0.05 minus 0.49. How much you can write? 0.049 you get 0.049. This is 1000 you can write here. So this is 0.049 you will get. So 49 by 1000. So 0.049. This is 0.001 centimeter is the least count. See, 1 MSD I am taking by taking the difference of these two readings. VSD equal to MSD into number of main scale divisions. How much? 2.45 is the length of main scale. That is equivalent to 50 divisions of vernier scale. Then each division of the vernier scale is equal to 49 by 1000. So this is equal to what can I write, beta? So 0.001 centimeter is the least count. Now reading is equals to MSR plus VSR into LC is equal to MSR is how much, beta? MSR is the preceding reading need to be taken, not after that. So 5.10. It is in between 5.10, 5.15. Then the preceding before that left side reading 5.10 plus VSR is how much? Which division is exactly coincides? 24 into 0.001. So what is your answer? 5.124 centimeter is the answer. So this is the reading. I hope you all of you understood it clearly. Some more questions and I will share worksheet based on these all topics what I explained connection to measurement. I will share the worksheet as a one link. Please go through that one also, so you people get a clear idea connection to JEE, NEET and CET also. Thank you so much, my dear intelligence.